forecast.
Well, if you got up early this morning, you could have observed the total lunar eclipse, which occurred basically shortly after 4 a.m., kind of wrapped up shortly after 6. Because you watched it on the western horizon, the moon angle was getting lower and lower on the horizon. But this is a nice shot captured by Victoria Dye from early this morning, and we've got a really nice composite shot here. These are several images put together by Marshall Fantech. Thank you for these images. There we are with the full moon there as it enters the Earth's shadow. So you got the partial phase, and then you've got totality, and certainly very neat to see. The next total lunar eclipse will not occur until March of 2025. So we've got some time to watch that. It was a beautiful day, and here's a nice evening. This evening's sunset captured by Babs Crawford there in Ruckersville. A lot cooler today, a lot more seasonable. We made it up to 64 at the airport. Of course, yesterday we were in the low 80s. 54 is the current number. We've been breezy with those northeasterly winds bringing in the cooler, drier air. 49 at the Valley Airport in Weir's Cave, made it up to the mid-50s this afternoon. We currently have 53 in Orange, 52 there in Palmyra, 51 in Waynesboro, 48 in Harrisonburg, and 52 in Palmyra. Much colder overnight, generally in the mid to upper 30s east of the Blue Ridge, lower 30s in the Shenandoah Valley. And where the wind does subside, there'll certainly be some areas of frost to develop. We've got a cool but sunny day here for Wednesday. Temperatures will peak out in the upper 50s to around 60 across the Piedmont, and generally in the middle 50s across the Shenandoah Valley. So we've got a dry and sunny day here for Wednesday. Temperatures will come up a little higher on Thursday, but we'll have more clouds gathering. Dry day here on Thursday, and then we await the rain in association with Tropical Storm Nicole for Friday, which is Veterans Day. We also have to watch the potential for not only heavy rain, but maybe some isolated severe weather. Right now, the American GFS model is showing you a broad swath here in this purple of maybe 1.5 inches upwards to 3 inches with some localized higher amounts. And the European model is much the same as well. So again, that purple shaded area, about 1.5 inches to 3 inches with some locally higher amounts as well. So we'll continue to monitor that, but it does look very wet here as we finish out the week. Matter of fact, the local high school games here have been transitioned to Thursday night because of the anticipation of the rain that we'll be dealing with on Friday. But things are quiet tonight. We've been under the influence of high pressure, which will still be with us as it continues to build off to our north. These clouds you see on the corner of your screen, that's an association with Tropical Storm Nicole. It continues to look better organized here on the satellite imagery, and it continues to move off to the west. It's under 400 miles now to the east of West Palm Beach, Florida. There are already hurricane warnings, tropical storm warnings, storm surge warnings along the coast of Florida. Of course, the impacts will be felt well before landfall, which will be likely late Wednesday, early Thursday, and then it'll start to accelerate as a cold front moves in across the lower 48, and this is going to really ricochet this thing up the eastern seaboard, so everyone on the eastern seaboard will get wet from this storm system. It should be out of here by early Saturday morning for us. We're in the 30s here to start our Wednesday. Temperatures tomorrow afternoon in the upper 50s to around 60. Thursday now, we'll start with some sunshine, then the clouds will gather, and then we'll watch that rain get in here with association with Nicole as we go into Friday. Some of that rain will be heavy, but it will be moving quickly, and that'll begin to exit here on Saturday. Temperatures tonight in the 30s under clear skies. Again, more sunshine tomorrow, another cool day, temperatures in the 50s. Thursday, the clouds gather. We'll watch Nicole's rain in here on Friday. Again, several inches of rain, maybe some isolated severe storms, and then we'll see those numbers begin to chill down as we head through the weekend and much of next week.
All right, Eric, thank you.
Thank you so much.